Hi guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. This has to be the most requested video on my Instagram for a summer skincare routine for dry skin. As I have dry skin, I have extremely dry skin, but during summers it also tends to get a little bit oily, but there's also like a lot of dryness. So it's like a balance of everything in this entire routine. Now this is my everyday skincare morning routine that I usually follow. Most easiest steps, the quickest, and this doesn't take like a lot of time as well. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get started. First thing that I love to do in the morning is to use a ice roller. It just instantly wakes you up. I don't know, I've been using it for years. So I got this new one from Amazon, and this is like a very chotu version of what you get, the original size, and it is just so easy to use. And I also feel like it just helps me in depuffing my face so much. It just helps you with blood circulation, with your pores as well. For my cleanser, I'm going to go in now. Apart from this, I also like to use the Cetaphil cleanser, then the simple cleanser that you have, and the Dot & Key watermelon cooling one. I especially love this face wash because it is so gentle on the skin. It just gets rid of everything. Now that my face is squeaky clean, the next step is to use a facial spray. I'm using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe vera, herbs and rose water. So this I just like to spray and then use all of my serums and moisturizers because it just like locks in everything. After that, I'm going to go in with the minimalist niacinamide serum. Now this is the 10% niacinamide serum. Also, the reason I'm using niacinamide is for even skin tone and pore reduction along with oil control, because I've noticed during summers, even though I have extremely dry skin, during summers my T-zone tends to get really oily. So this serum is supposed to help me balance that as well. For my eye serum, I'm using this Dot & Key vitamin C serum. Now this plus niacinamide works wonderfully. At night, I use the glycolic bright eye serum since my nighttime routine has a lot of glycolic acid into it. So I just prefer using this one at night and this one during the day. Again, this helps with brightening my under eye area. Also, if you want to check like what dark circles you have, then you can just like, you know, pinch the skin under your eyes and check if you need retinoid in. For my moisturizer, this moisturizer has to be one of my favorites because first, it is pink, it smells beautiful, and it looks also really cute. So I'm using the Dot & Key pomegranate miracle vitamin E revitalizing moisturizer. This also has SPF 30, and you guys know anything with SPF just makes me happy. It is such a beautiful lightweight moisturizer. It also gets absorbed into the skin really nicely. And whether you have dry, oily skin, I just feel like this is a moisturizer that will suit all skin types. The second last step of my skincare routine has to be a sunscreen. I'm using this Aqualogica Illuminate UV sunscreen. This is again such a beautiful lightweight sunscreen. No white cast, gets absorbed really nicely, and I love the fact that this has blue light protection, and also how cute is this packaging. And now last but not the least, lip balm. So I have been using this Wishcare Ceramide lip balm. This has SPF 50 PA+++. I go along with this for the tint. To top it off, I go in with my most favorite Laneige sleeping mask. This again I've been using for I don't know how long. This is my second tub and it's almost done. And that is it for my quick summer skincare routine. This is all I do on a regular basis. If not this, then I just add a detan face mask every week or twice a week for that matter. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful in some or the other way. If you let me know what skin type do you have in the comment section below, and I will leave all of the product links in the description along with a few recommendations that I've been using, that I've used, which I really like. So yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon.